We use the E-Bortfolio in our school to upload our Welsh Oracy evidence and reflect on our work that we have completed.
How I use the E-Bortfolio in my school is a little showcase and track record of Oracy activities that I might have done. It's really great because I can personalise it and it shows all of my progress. How it's so organised. If you wanted to look at a specific piece of work, it would be really easy to get to.
We've got the Department of Digital Competency, and those pupils have really helped drive the E-Bortfolios within the class as they've developed the skill set to be able to download and upload the videos and access the website. But the improvements of not just the Welsh Oracy skills, but the DCF skills we've seen are massive.
The E-Bortfolio is a website where I'm able to keep evidence of my Welsh work that I've done. It has helped me a lot because I've easily been able to reflect my work as it is all in one website.
The Cherrig Milltir sets have helped me to up-level my work and sentences, add sentence starters.
Before the Cherrig Milltir, I found it hard to reflect on my work and find out what step I was on and what my next steps were. But after learning about the Cherrig Milltir, I found it easy to reflect and what step I was so I could improve my work easier.
We introduced the Cherrig Milltir, the Oracy Milestones, and this really helped with the feedback that the children were offering each other and the next steps. It was great because they were able to use the milestones to see what they needed to work on, because what we felt before when they were offering themselves feedback, they knew what they needed to improve on, but they couldn't articulate that. So the Cherrig Milltir has really helped them to be able to inform their next steps and provide purposeful feedback.
What I like best about the E-Bortfolio is how it's so easy to upload your Welsh Oracy once you've learnt how. Helps you reflect on your work and see what progress you've made in the future. I've also helped others to create their own E-Bortfolios in young years. Helps me share my Oracy with teachers in Ysgol Waldo Williams and in the high school before I go here, and I have access to it anywhere on earth.
The things I like most about this platform are the fact that it's an easy to access platform and that you can see the progress you've made during your Welsh work throughout the months.
E-Bortfolio, in my opinion, are for all learners. We've got a breadth of learners in my class, and it hasn't been the typical learners you'd think would thrive in using them. As a Year 6 teacher, I can really see the benefit of using E-Bortfolios because as soon as the pupils know that these are going to be coming through with them to Half-Dress High, there is that purpose, and we found that the pupils were so engaged and really motivated to do the best they could then with their videos.
I think it's really fun because it's like a cool way to display our work and it's helped me with my digital and Welsh skills.